Hey guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna be making a one piece with this lovely see-through, okay? And the pattern that I have is this right here that I made. I made this from my a block pattern, okay? Now there's a pattern that is listed below. It's Amazon affiliated and it is a one piece um, bodysuit. It's a bodysuit. So that's the one I used to make this, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this what's that, mesh. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, and we're gonna be using it. I'm gonna be using the sewing machine. I could use my serger. Should I use my serger today and show you? Because I was still planning on that whole doing it as a, with the sewing machine, so that you can guys can see, how to work it with your sewing machine. Now guys, if you have a sewing machine, that's great. And if you have a serger, that's great. If you have you can do both the same way. Let's go ahead and do this. And I'm going to be using this with the 5/8 elastic, okay? So let's go and let's cut it out. Okay. All right. So, okay, guys, I cut it out, and we're going to make a design from this, okay? All right, so what I'm doing is pinning it down, okay? And I'll pin this down because I want it to stay put, okay? All right, so guys can see this. Right now, so guys, I run out of black elastic. So here's the black elastic with it. If it's covered, you won't see it. And I don't have much. So I will be using white today. For you guys to at least see it, covered and everything. All right. So let's design, okay? So I don't want it to be a plain. I don't want it plain. Okay. I don't want it plain. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put a line right here. Okay. So the line is going to look like this. Right in the middle. So see, this is from here to around here. So right here is the panty line. Okay. So we're going to make a line from here to here. I'm going to go straight down to around here. So I stop right there. So I'll make it from here to here. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more. So from here to here is where I put the line, okay? And I'm just going to even it up right here. And I'm going to be doing curves right here and right here, okay? So that's the first one, and I'm going to just use this as a pattern because I want it to be even. second one. You guys seen it? Okay. And here's the third one. Put it right there. So I have it like an inch and something, like from here to here, right there. I'm just taking this. There it is. Okay. Let's open this up that you guys can see what I just did. So it looked like that. Okay. This is how it looks. Okay. All right. And now we're going to stitch up. We're going to be using this. All right. Let us go. All right, guys. So what I'm going to be doing, let me use my serger because I've been using my machine the whole time. Let's do the serger. Okay. All right. So I'm going to do that. So what I'm doing, I'm just sewing down the legs open. I'm not stretching. So I didn't stretch it. There it is. And I use white on white. There it is. Okay. And we're gonna do guys, let me tell you what I did wrong. I forgot to do the opening side. So hold on, let me just stitch this and then show you what I should have done. I forgot about it. Alright, so let me show you what I did. What I did was stitch down this part. You guys can see. So all I did was stitch on this part, but guess what? I forgot to do this. So guys, this is what happened. I forgot to curve out underneath where the arm is, the side seam, because remember I'm going to be pushing the string through it. So I need two separate like holes. Okay, so what I'm doing is cutting a little bit off for the armhole, and what I'm doing is just gonna cut like 1.5 inches from one edge and 1.5 inches from the other edge, and do a curve, and that's it. That's all I'm doing. Okay, here it is, guys. We're gonna turn this over. I have the green neon on the bottom, and then I have the white on the top, which is the white thread. Okay, so let's do it. We're gonna put the zigzag at a 3.0, and then the stitch at a 1.5. Because I'm using the net, I need it smaller. Okay, so we're going, and then we're going to turn. Okay, all right, let's look at this. So there it is. The green is on top. Okay. So there it is. Okay. So remember, you're gonna curve. Remember, you're gonna curve. Okay. All right. All right. Let's do the rest. So all I'm just doing is pulling it or pushing it over. Okay. All I'm doing is just doing it like this and stitching it down, okay? So all I do is just turn it over and stitch it. So guys, here it is. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. There it is. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna push the string through and I'm gonna put it on the mannequin for you guys to see, okay? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching me do this. And you know, I'm still learning this YouTube, so bear with me. So what I did is just the front. If you have a swimsuit pattern, which is the full swimsuit, you're just using only the front. You're gonna extend the shoulder, okay, so that you can turn it over and push like any elastics that you have, either the small black elastic, the white one, or the invisible one that you see that I have. And then remember that you're gonna extend the bottom crotch so that it can go underneath and come around for a thong. If you're using a swim suit pattern, okay, with, you know, basically what I show you from the first, how it look, okay, and then you manipulate the pattern, okay guys. And I did use my 3/8 elastic. I don't know why I keep saying 5/8. It's 3/8 elastic, and you know it comes in black and white. You could have used any one. So guys, thank you so much for coming with this journey and ask questions, okay? And remember, do this pattern on a scrap first before you use your other nice fabric, and then feel how it looks and if you like it. And remember, if you're going to be using the 5/8 elastic, don't really pull it. Okay, you don't have to if you're using styles like these. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for staying with me. All right, and if you have any question, contact me, ask question. And to my new and old followers, thank you so much. Subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.